Pest dynamics are hugely influenced by climate. This is because climate is a big driver when it comes to the level of reproduction, movement, and feeding mechanisms. So whenever we have changes in the climatic patterns, this has led to now increase in the invasions. So the invasions have increased because of the intense climatic events that we've been experiencing in the region. And as a result, as a region, we've tried to come up with initiatives to manage the transboundary pests, one of them being through the Interregional Platform for Sustainable Management of Transboundary Pests. This was an initiative that started in 2021, following the huge upsurge that we had experienced in the region in 2019, 2021. And this platform has been really crucial for the region because we've been able to have a platform where member states can meet and discuss the challenges that they're facing in the region. And climate has always been one of the challenges because whenever we have unpredictability, then the member states are not able to know how to be prepared for such eventualities.
The platform managed to bring member states of IGAD together, and actually non-IGAD countries as well, and other partners, to coordinate the control, surveillance, monitoring of desert locusts and other transboundary pests. I can say that the platform achieved a very good job, very good performance. A good example is the invasion that happened in late 2023 and early 2024. If you compare the two seasons, that is 2019, 2020 and 2023, 2024, they were both favorable for desert locust outbreak. But due to the coordination mechanism established by the platform, and thanks to the IGAD member states, particularly frontline countries, Ethiopia, Djibouti, and Somalia, they coordinated the control mechanisms, the control measures, the activities, and they successfully averted another catastrophic desert locust outbreak.
This platform has also enabled the capacity building of the technical personnel within the member countries. One, we've had several capacity building trainings on various issues of migratory pest control management. We've had trainings on pesticide management. We've had trainings on alternative approaches such as biopesticides. And we also had general trainings on migratory pest management within the region.
If you compare the two seasons in terms of rainfall and vegetation, I can say that 2023-2024 was more favorable than 2019-2020. But due to the early warning provided by IGAD and early actions undertaken by member states, the region controlled the locusts properly and in time. The region used much less pesticides. It was cost effective and well coordinated. So that shows the performance and achievement of the platform.
Transboundary pest management, there's so many, it's a multifaceted approach. And one of the key things that we need to address is on the early interventions. And early interventions means having information at hand and having the resources at hand to address the issue. Should we have an invasion, we need to be prepared, we need to have the information, we need to have the control response mechanisms at hand. And through this platform, we've been able now to provide channel in which member states have been able to come together, collaborate, and even mobilize resources. So we've created a platform in which also we've enhanced regional coordination and collaboration. And I believe through this platform and moving forward, we now have a better roadmap on what is at hand, what do we have, including even the resources. We've been able to create a triangulation way in which we're able to understand which resources do we have, which equipment do we have, how many aircrafts do we have, and how can one member state support each other. We are still not at our optimum, but looking back, there's a lot of improvement that we've been able to experience as a region, and we believe that will also now create a platform for future endeavors.
How do we move on? What lessons have we learned? I believe that one of the key lessons that we have to take up is the continuous engagement of these policy implementers and the policy makers within the region, our ministers, that they should always own. We really call upon them to own these organizations at the regional level, because our regional interventions are very key, and they have multiple effects more than having just single country interventions. That is something that I want to emphasize. And bringing together these member countries and stakeholders calls for both technical and financial resources. So really the member country contributions to these organizations and also the development partner engagement cannot be overemphasized.